Hello everyone, I am Mirza Muhammad Abdullah from Design Dynamics. Today we are going to make a realistic effect of the After Effects which may not be possible in any other software. But this is wrong concept. We have no After Effects. What we can do? Today I am going to make this effect in the Photoshop CC 2024 beta version. But if you don't have this Photoshop CC, you can make it in CS6 version. So what's simple? How we can do, how it works. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing is that what we can do, what we are going to make. We are going to make a dissolving effect which we have seen in many Hollywood series and in movies like the titles of many movies, Hollywood movies, specific in Hollywood. So what we are going and we will make it Photoshop CC 2024 beta version. So we are going to the screen. Now here open the Photoshop and take another file, and now choose one of the image you want to use from the pixels.com and import it to Photoshop like this, and adjust it according to the length which you want. Now go to filter, go to the render and add to cloud. This is the render cloud system which is already inbuilt in it. Now once cloud added, go to the windows and add timeline. Timeline will be appear here and out of the component will here. Go to the arrow box and click style. It will create a keyframe. Now go to the another side where you want output. Now click on the layers icon, double click and select the dissolve mode and the filter which you want. Now we will create dissolve effect. Now either current layer, adjust it. From here our keyframe have been added and you see this is our final animation. So you see that how we can create it on Photoshop. So I hope you have understand my all of this concept. If you like this content, don't forget to press the subscribe button and really press the bell icon. Thank you.